ang pangalan mo?
I'm Chisa Koser po.
So, sino naman yung kinocosplay?
Po?
Sino yung kinocosplay?
I'm cosplaying Shelian from Tianguan Sifu or Heaven's Official Blessings.
Wow, so bakit siya yung napili mo ni cosplay?
Because reading the novel, parang naka-relate ako ng super sa character na to. Gusto ko na din parang maging like great character as I grew up din. Parang gusto ko yung humility niya.
Wow, so pwede kong sample ng kanyang tagline and posing. Isang rampa doon, balik, ikot, and then tagline and posing.
Sige po. Oh my God. Rampa. Mahawak na po. Wait lang po. I am the one true God.
Gusto mo pa bang sabihin o shout out, batiin?
Please read the Heaven Official's Blessing. It's really, really good po. And every other novels of MXDX din.
Yun lang guys, love you guys.
Thank you po. Thank you
Pakipollow
po.
yung page namin.